ya Kisii ase ekiombe keria kia Gusii Minto Ekebute kianyara koba gikumirana amona bana benyumba y'obumenyo ya Jogoo ase banyara koba bagosanga amona bana bubo igo banyara koba kubaikiraria amagania ao gati yabo banyara koba kurwa obokonyi bw'echindagera omosaki oito wa mangana Mildred Momanyi nigagotoigorera amaya ensa emo
abana chintakana kurwa ensemo ya Jogoo Children's Home nigo banyora abageni batali babutambe kurwa ase ekiombe kia Gusii Minto Ekebute abo babatalirana kubarentera ebinto ao ase babaroseria endagira na gusanga amona banabo asaba nabo bagokera egitambo kirekyo nase omunyakerogo airari bagana gukwanira ekerenga kiabo asogokora omuyega buno yoiga
tuatete gusherekea n'abantu bari batari kwenyara muna abana muna onto kanyoranga ndo kumera na iskari tonyara ko batokuragira tweka tagateberia turigi mune ng'ombe igana bintu bikeiga toche maiga tosherekea n'abana aba tukange twacheta Easter but tokanyora abana bakari skuru twa feel tinga nto wende ko bomira bonsi muna bara muna lero na bagotoka iga yetali ero ntanga ntora December tuarenge kiogoro na twara umiranire mara kadhaa na ndiko chimutundo kenda tukumirana muna bono ntu wate plans to kurwa iga twatale Kisii County kabere next year tukikwenda Nyamira County eyo ekarumu tienyo 8
decided to give back to the society because it's important to remember the less fortunate in the community. So we are here today at Jogoo Children's Home to share with the children, have fun with them, talk to them, encourage them, and let them know that there's a brighter future ahead for them.
Nigo bateba aria bagokora barobubuna ekiombe utatiga gutarira abana buna baiga ase bateba ngurwa bare obosemia na gusanga ase chinchera ao
okomera na mondara buri naki kikemokomera na mwakora. We share a lot of things ngoriga itore different aspects of life into what connections na bora nyore ni one way or another no bwate biasara no gani tiemeremo osino goda intio mokori emeremo na bokonyanga within that networking abande baito bakonye kire kibiashara bange baito bakonye kire kemeremo na ngoriga itore topic chinyinge bunabona okonye on Mondays we talk about financial literacy, on Tuesday ngokwana tore gento buna value addition, ntobwate politics, ntobwate we cover a range of topics every day or Monday mpaka Monday.
Ase chinga kiecho nigo bateba nigo babwate okugania gwokorenta abagusiamo bunenchereye moyo korkia obwanchani na gusira bali abatali kwenyara.
Many things planned. We want to engage the community of Gusii to balentamo ase nchira yo gukora ebintu ebya byoka. We are not very famous as a community buna bantu to gukora ebintu twanchaine. We tumanyire ko babantu to watananeka at every slight opportunity, but we have deliberately started this and we hope ngembe yenge yane rande Gusii yengema etach kero mu Gusii such that even as we engage politically to manyanga ngaito gotacha na istutali gotacha ngai
ni gongo tebanga aba Gusii esemore kiato tuaro moyo no batebuo gusira bari batari kwenyara muna abare gaiga
kuripoteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.